What is going on today, folks? April 22nd, 2026. This looks like caution tape. Let's see how we are going to address this particular problem. Update the color here. I think I have an approach, actually. I don't know if it will work, but we will try. So let us see how that's going to work. I'm going to do a linear gradient, but I'm going to set it at an angle. Background black, background. Okay, right and left are a bit too narrow. Wait, yeah, so we gotta make it maybe 45, no, 40. Top and bottom, 90. Look at that, perfect. So here we are going to do a linear gradient. I don't know the angle, but I can tell. Okay, so we have okay, it doesn't matter. We're gonna do this color. Linear gradient, we'll go, instead of 90 degrees, that's not 45 degrees. Let's go, okay, I'm talking too much. We'll go clear. Rather, we'll go this color, and then clear. And then here we'll do clear at, uh, we'll go 50 px, 0. And what if we did, instead of 9 degrees, we did 15 degrees? No, negative 15, negative 95, no, negative 45, 55. Okay, let me do maybe 65. I just need to make sure I'm looping it with enough 150 px. Okay, so clearly that's not what I want to do here. Minus 50 px. Let me just get the angle right. 65, 75? No, 65. Nope, 55. No, 60. Okay, 60 is the right dimensions. However, okay, so I think I need to just have it. Okay, 50 px, 100 px. Let's go 150 to 250. And then we go to this color again. Let's just do this. And here we'll go 0 to, let's keep it 0. Okay, so this is almost there. So 150, so 200 is a bit wrong, is a bit off. I'm gonna do 150. Let's do 145 maybe. 145, 245. No, that's wrong. 150, 155. Okay, that changes that number. What do I need to do? I need to go minus 5px. Okay. And then now this one, 250, 150 will go. Here, if I go 150, 170, 200, and 50. What? Is it because it's okay, if I do instead of the negative, if I just go 60 degrees, but then I go, okay, I think that makes more sense in my head. So 150, we'll bring it back, just go 50, no, 60, 70, 80, 90, no, 80, sorry, 85, no, 86, 87, 88, 87. Okay, so that's that. And then now this 250 can go down to 137. Let's say if I give this, oh wow, 30. So 30. So the idea was 50 pixels wide in my mind, which is why I got that number. And then now, I'm wondering if I can repeat it. Will I be able to? Good. Okay, so hold on a sec. Okay, that gap is a lot less than. So I'm wondering if I should just add the two. Okay, if I go slash, we go 40 to 200, 160. 160, maybe 150, 140, 150, 160, 50. Okay. 160. That would have been. Why not? Why won't you work? Mine's way far out. So it means I need to bring the width back. But then why is it when I... No, no, no. 50, 40. See, well, like it does... Why does it do that? I can, you know what? If I just replace that with this... No! That's bizarre, though. Why does it do that? Okay. Okay, I think we're just gonna have to now do this. So this is probably gonna be another 87. So that's the F7 is the, okay. We are the wedge in the middle. And now we just need to do the clear again at, let's say, oh well, here, that's gonna be, let's say 50 pixels, 187. Oh, it's probably more than that. 75. Let's go 210 px. Then here I'll go 0. Is that about right? Wow, close. 210, 211, no, 209, 08, 07, 08. Okay. And then this one is going to be for 50, 258 px, followed by this color 0. Let's see. Submit. 10 minutes in. Oh, come on. Work with me here. 99.9. I don't know. Oh, I really thought I had it. What would be another way? Skew? Um, let's see. So is now I'm confused. I'm confused if a gradient is the answer at all. So order. Huh. How do we do this? How do we do this in another way? I think I worked too hard on this solution. I don't want to let go so easily. What if I did? Let me try something. It's so dumb. One. Okay. 0. Okay, I don't like this one bit. I don't like this one bit. Really thought I had it. Now my brain's stuck. Okay, you guys are just watching me like stare at a screen. That's not what I want. Okay, so let's try to figure out what we're gonna do here. Okay, linear gradient's not gonna work, which is a shame because I think it's a great solution. So what is a better solution? I think we can do something like box shadow that repeats, but then is kind of like out of the frame here, and then we're gonna have to like overflow um what is it? Hidden kind of. Okay. So let us get rid of this for a sec, and I'm gonna try doing something else. Let me get rid of this one here. We'll go first of all background black. Here we'll do, this can be what was my Just gonna comment this out just so I can keep reference to the dimensions that I was using. So we go from this, so A7, so we did here 75. What is this? So this goes from the first transparent to the second transparent. So it goes from 137 to 208. Which is, so we go 137 to 207 is 70 pixels. Let's go 70 pixels. Background black. And then here we have, instead of 9040, we're going to go 9040 gives us 40 to 360. So 40 plus 90 equals 130. 130. 90. Well, actually 90, 140. And here we can do instead of 140, 140 again, but here 140 can be, keep it up. Keep this at 40. 140, we'll go 240. 240 puts this at 160 plus maybe 270 here. Okay. And then I'm going to make this the background. I'm going to skew it, transform. I think it's skew X. I don't know how this works. 120 degrees. That's a bit much, isn't it? 120, 100. Whoa. Okay, 60. Nope. Negative 60. Negative 50. Negative 40. Negative 30. Negative 30. Okay. Can I do transform translate here? Minus 50px. Okay, do I need a comma? 50, 60, 50, 40, 30, 1. Nope. 29, 28, 29, 30, 29. Okay. And it seems like this needs to be a little bit more. So 70 will go. You know what? Actually, let me just, instead of here, 10px, 40, 50, 60, 70, whoa, 100, 110. 10 and what? 111, 112, 111. And 270 can actually now be 265 maybe. And then push this an extra 5. Maybe. Oh. Okay. A bit wider, so I need to push it in a little bit more. So 75, 76. I do 120? Can I make that work? Okay, I can't. 119 seems to be... $119 plus, and then we make this 0.5. Dude, 118.5. Okay. Oh man, okay. So there's that, and now I can box shadow. Here we'll do minus, I don't know, 75 px 0 color, and then overflow hidden as well. Wait, what is it? What is it? Um, okay. 75, 100, 150, 145, 140. Okay. And then 140px 0. And why is... Well, that's why. This is going to be ridiculous. Okay. So I have to change my approach yet again. I can't use the margins, otherwise the overflow hidden is not going to work. I have to use a width and height for my container, which is going to be... overflow hidden is not going to work because... Oh my god. Can I just use a mask? I don't know how to use this. We'll go 40, 90, and 40. $360. The right and left are wider too. See how mine clips off at the end here? It shouldn't. Same with the bottom here. The gift that just keeps on giving. What on earth is happening? Okay, so solution is not ideal either. I think I am just going to bite the bullet, accept the 99.9% defeat, and then yeah. If I make the background pink and I skew a shape inside with a border, would that work? Last chance. I'm gonna do, gonna comment this out. Background, we have this, right? Assuming I spelt it correctly. Background, and then I'm gonna do a P, and here I'm gonna do the P tag. It's going to be, we have, let's say 50 and then 70 and then, okay, so let's go width 70 px. I don't need px. Border solid 50 px, this color. Background, we'll do transparent. Height, position absolute. Okay. Top 0. Right, and we're just going to top actually minus 50. And let's skew this now. Skew, transform, skew. What? Negative 60 degree. God. 50. What was it again? 30. Okay. And we'll go left. Um, 0. 10. 11. 9. Okay, so the border here now, let's go 45. Okay. Oh, my border's too narrow. I need to make it 55. 55, 60. 58, okay. Left 10, 5, 4. Okay. So now the top is a bit, so we'll go another 55, 50, 60, I don't know, dude. 60. Okay, and then now push this, I don't know, 10. Okay. What is the width of this thing? Width 70, we'll go 65, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 80. Whoop, 80, 81, 82. Please, please, please. Thank you. I hate this so much. This is the worst. This is the worst. My first solution was elegant and beautiful and cute and adorable and short and all of that. And then no, I got to do this ugly Frankenstein, hideous, atrocious, character heavy approach just to appease the matching engine. I'm annoyed. Submit. Okay. 667 global stats. Average characters, about 100 less. I'm okay with that. 654. My stats 667. Okay, awesome. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This is ridiculous. If you're still here, thank you so much. I really appreciate you hanging out till the very end, watching me panic, watching me stress, watching me stare blankly at my screen, thinking of another solution. I don't like the solution, by the way, but this is where we are. It means a lot. It means more than you know. Thank you again, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.